Hello guys, so now we are going to learn how to save assets in Illustrator. But before learning that, let me teach you how you can save a simple file. We are going to discuss this in detail later on, but for now let me show you how you can save a simple JPEG file. If I want to save this file, I will go up over here to File, then click on Export and Save As. Let me save it on desktop and I will save it as a JPEG. It's called design file. I can change its name if I want and simply hit on export and hit OK. So now if I go to desktop and if I double click on this is my file. I will simply delete it for now and I will go back to Illustrator. So every individual element which you create in Illustrator is called an asset. Let's just say I just want to save this part or maybe this one. For that I will have to create a whole new file and then save it. For example, I create a new file over here and then I will drag and drop this over here, make it bigger if I want, and then go to file, export and save as and all that stuff. But what if I want to export all of these elements and not go through all of this hassle? So let me just delete this. So for that I will go to window and over here we have an assets panel. So this is called asset export. Simply click on it. Let me bring this up a little over here. So let's just say I want to export this whole thing. I will simply click on it and drag and drop it over here. Asset 1. Similarly this, drop it over here, and similarly this one. So I have 3 assets over here now. So let's just say I want to save them as JPEG. So I will select simple JPEG over here and then click on export. I can export all of these on the desktop. Simply click select folder. And now if I go back to desktop, there is this folder over here. I can double click on it. Okay, so I made a mistake over here. Let me go back to Illustrator. You can see that this is selected and rest are not selected. For that I will have to click on this one and press shift and then click on this one to select all of them. So now all of these are selected. I can click on export, go to desktop and select folder, and since I have already exported one of them, I will click on replace. Now if I go to desktop, you will see that I have all of these over here. Simple. I will go back to Illustrator. So this is how I can basically select all of them and drag and drop them over here and export them individually. Trust me, there are a lot of expert illustrators who don't even know this. So this is really gonna come in handy for you guys. I hope you guys are learning. See you guys in the next tutorial.